This video is all about 3 of my favorite tools for remote teaching and professional development. Also, stick around to the end because I'm going to be going over a giveaway I'm doing to celebrate the amazing work educators are doing. Let's get started. What's happening, everyone? I'm Al and I go by EducoPilot across social media and here on YouTube. I'm an educator and visual storyteller, and my goal for this channel is to make creativity accessible to all. So consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new content that's coming out soon. So 2020 has been interesting to say the least, and educators have had to adjust quickly to ensure all students are successful in learning. During this time, I've had a number of fellow educators reach out regarding the tech I use for streaming, video conferencing, or content creation in general. So I thought I would share a few of my favorite tools for remote teaching and professional development. This is not an exhaustive list of the gear I use. That can be found on my gear kit on my website, but this is more of a highlight of some of the pieces I have come to depend on for the work I do. Also, please understand none of this gear is needed for you to teach, but each item could help you streamline your workflow as an educator and content creator. So let's just start in the place I encourage everyone to consider when delivering content: audio. My favorite mic is the Blue Yeti X. It is the new version of one of the best USB mics around, the Yeti, and packs great sound in a simple and easy to use setup. This mic has multiple patterns for picking up the sound for a voiceover, single or 2-person podcast, and it is built like a tank. Next on my list of favorites is the Elgato Stream Deck. This is one of those items that I really didn't think I would use a lot, but after picking it up, it is one of the most used pieces of gear on my desk. So what is a Stream Deck? Basically, it is a device that houses LCD keys that can be programmed to do a variety of actions. With one touch, you can launch an app, a website, adjust audio. The sky's the limit for what you can do to simplify your workflow with the Stream Deck. Definitely check it out. Finally is the ATEM Mini Pro. This is my go-to for live streaming and multicam productions. Let me be clear, for many this is overkill, but for those that want to be able to use a mirrorless or DSLR camera and more than one on the stream to show multiple angles, there is nothing that comes close to the Mini Pro. Setup is fast and easy. You can stream to all the major streaming platforms. It is a must-have for those that want the versatility. So let's talk about this giveaway. I've actually partnered with a company called Kit to do this giveaway, and we're doing something a little bit different. So instead of your typical giveaway where someone is randomly selected, it's more going to be judged on the kit that you build. So I'm asking everyone to go to kit.co and build a budget-friendly remote teaching kit with the hashtag you see on the screen now. But basically, you need to come up with the gear that you think will be essential for your remote teaching journey. So the cameras, laptop, software, audio. Think about what is going to make your workflow better, and that is what you are going to build your kit out of. I really want you to think through a realistic kit that makes sense for the kind of content you're going to be teaching. Then add descriptions in your kit with a reason why each piece of gear is there. The more you fill out the descriptions with your why and your how, it's going to help and give you a better chance to win one of the prizes. And speaking of prizes, for the prizes, each winner will get their choice of an item, either a document camera, Chromebook, or a 1-year Creative Cloud subscription. So first place will choose, then the second place will choose from the remaining 2 options, and the third will get the last remaining option of the 3. Once again, all the information is down below in the description, and there's a whole page where you can check out how to enter and all the details about the prizes and anything I failed to mention. So that's going to be it for me. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, remember, creativity is limitless.